spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness.
Hi, so was it last week or 2 weeks ago? But I think this week makes it maybe roughly 2 weeks. A friend of mine at work sent me a link, and she said that link was for Shane and it was for her to get free stuff, that I should please download and follow the procedures. So I did everything, and I think she got some of her stuff and they were free. So I asked her about it, and she said to me, oh, you can do it too. So I tried to do it, and she was like, I got a lot of winter stuff for my children from it. Please try to do it so you can get some winter stuff for your child or for yourself. I said, okay. So I got home when I was free. I had to click on it, and of course I wouldn't want to share that information at that time because I wasn't sure, and I mean, it's not nice to be sharing false information that's not true. So I had to try it, and apparently our own order came. However, everything in this bag is for Gabby. However, when I was doing it, I realized that I was to pick 4 things for free, and the last item I was going to pay for. So at first, my last item that I was going to pay for will now be the most expensive thing, and mine was £22. So I had to go back because I wasn't sure if it was going to be a scam or stuff when I do it. So I had to go back, and then my cheapest item, my most expensive item, was now $11.99 or thereabout. So I had to risk it and pay that $11.99. So today we're trying to do 1 or 2 things in the bathroom, and she bought the iPad out that she wanted to watch a cartoon or stuff. So I said, okay, let me check. So I saw that a mail popped up. I checked it, said I have a delivery for $2.49 that it will be dropped off, and I've been sleeping. I didn't hear anything at the door. Maybe the person knocked, but because I was asleep. So right now we got this.
We got a necklace for Mommy
Where's the scissors?
and Angela.
Well, let's see.
Wait,
now let's be serious.
No, you're not serious.
Stop. So let's tear it. It says Shane Kids. This is a nice trench coat. Gabby, you don't want to sit down. You'll style it later. This is a trench coat. I had to go a size upper. We'll try that later. Just one by one, please. So you'll not rush me.
Like a flower for you.
Yeah, just a minute. And this is a top and a shirt design, but there's no shirt inside. And me, I have this style. It just gave me another inspiration. And it comes with this jeans. Let me see. This is another one. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Let's take it one step at a time.
Mom, where's my necklace?
These are thermal trousers. Yeah, they are thermal trousers. What are you saying? What?
Mommy.
Hold on, just a thing at a time. The necklace is not from this shop. It's from another shop. Okay, they'll bring it next week. Trust me. Hey, now wow. Look. Hey, you were enjoying. Look. Ew. Let me open it now. I already ordered the necklace now. Don't you trust me? Am I not your mother? This is a sweatshirt. Wow. And then a short skirt. Okay.
It's for school.
Look at all this clothing, and I paid just $11.99. He obstructs my camera, darling. And I paid just $11.99. Whoa. This is the heat of everything for me. Do you want to try it on for us? Let's see. You know, mommy and daddy has this kind of trench coat. Now you have a trench coat too. It's about to be a girly, mature winter for my babe. Go show daddy. Oh my goodness. Oh God, you. It is plenty. That doesn't even have. It doesn't have it in black. Guys, I'm going to try it for myself as well and see what I can get for myself, because what? Shin, thank you.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, your secret.
So I went to the shop and I just got back. No one ever told me about this drink and I'm loving it. It's the appetizer apple juice. I went to visit someone and they offered me this drink. They packed it with the food that they packed for me to take home, and ever since then I've been stuck. Anyways, that's not why we're here. So I went out yesterday with my married boyfriend, and today I had to go do like a swap for something we got for Gabby. And when I got there, of course, it's the shopping mall that has Zara in it, so I decided to stop by Zara again, because yesterday I got this fragrance from Zara, so I decided to go back to see if I can get some other things, because I did a bit of research online. And let me just chip this in. See those Zara fragrances? If you can pick one that is nice, oh my goodness, trust me, you're saving yourself a lot of money. Now, this is not to say that when you find a designer perfume or the real deals, you will not buy them if you are in love with them. So me, for instance, Zara has a dupe for this Carolina Herrera, but me, I love this one. I love the bottle. See this heel? I love it. If you've known me for about 4 years, you know that I really love these heels. And when I was doing my miniature perfume business in Nigeria, this was one of my best sellers, and I always restock on this. So that's just so you know that I am a lover for this particular fragrance. And by the way, so I had to stop by at Zara to get some more perfumes. So I got this one and I thought to unbox with you guys, just in case you want to get some Zara perfumes, just so you know what you're buying. Although if you check online, you'll probably get the ones that they are dupes for, but from someone who has used maybe the originals and someone who is trying out the dupes, I can tell you, oh, they smell alike or they don't smell alike. So this one, this red vanilla, this one smells like La Vie Belle, the Lancome La Vie Belle. This is the Eau de Toilette and this is 30 ml. So let's open it. I love the bottle and it smells really nice, and just the same, it's a small size, and receiving it straight out of the I've sprayed so many perfumes on this part of my hand today, but I know that I'll still get, and it still smells very good. But we'll give it some time to dry down a bit. It's just La Vie Belle, to be honest. As it's drying down, you're getting another fragrance. There's another revelation. Which one is revelation? I need deliverance. So this one, I got it yesterday, and it's the Love Explosion one. This one, they said, is a combination of Zara Red Temptation and Zara Amber Fusion. And the Red Temptation one is the dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540, while the Amber Fusion one is the dupe for Zejov, the green or the blue bottled Zejov, and I've had the opportunity to smell both. I've used the Baccarat 540 before when I was in Nigeria. I know the smell. It smells exactly. The Zejov, I've not used the actual one, but I've smelled it at the mall before, and it's the same smell as the Amber Fusion one from Zara. So you might want to cook that. So imagine the combination of those two luxury perfumes in the single bottle. That's what you're getting in this one. I'll leave it to dry down as well. The combination is oh, smells like money. Clean money, like clean. Gosh, not Nigerian, not real cool money. That's a very nice smell. So let's move on. I saw this one as well. This one says that it's a bright bouquet tinted with the colorful juiciness of mango, and when I smelled it, it smelled straight off like mango, like ripe mango, for a pure explosion of joy. I'm definitely wearing this love explosion to work today. I'm wearing that to work today. The red vanilla one is still smelling here too. God have mercy. So this is what this one looks like straight out of the pack. And the covers are sturdy. Remember I did a video where I was talking about how you know if your perfumes are the real things when you hold them by the cover and doesn't fall off. It's just a test, right? I heard it from someone and I tried it and I love it whenever I do that, so I want to try that out. So for this one, what will I spray? Okay, this clothes has suffered from too many perfumes. Leave that to dry down.